where innovation meets imagination, and the future is always one tap away. Today, we're stepping beyond smartwatches and phones into something that genuinely feels next-gen, technology you don't hold in your hand or strap to your wrist, but wear naturally on your face. Say hello to the Xiaomi Smart Glasses, a sleek, intelligent piece of wearable tech that could quietly redefine how we interact with the digital world. These aren't loud, flashy, attention-grabbing gadgets. Instead, they feel like a glimpse into a future where technology fades into the background and simply works when you need it. Imagine seeing real-time translations, subtle navigation cues, and essential notifications without ever pulling your phone out of your pocket. It sounds like science fiction, but Xiaomi has turned that idea into a surprisingly practical reality. What immediately sets these smart glasses apart is their restraint. Xiaomi didn't try to shock the world with an aggressive design or overloaded features. Instead, they focused on subtlety, comfort, and usefulness. From the moment you unbox them, that philosophy is clear. Inside the box, you'll find a clean, premium presentation that feels intentional and uncluttered. There's the glasses themselves, a magnetic charging dock, a USB-C cable, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a protective carrying case. Nothing extra, nothing missing. It feels less like unboxing a tech gadget and more like unboxing a refined, everyday accessory that's ready to slot straight into your life. Pick them up and the first thing you notice is the weight, or rather, the lack of it. At just around 51 grams, the Xiaomi Smart Glasses are impressively light, especially considering how much technology is packed inside. Xiaomi uses a combination of durable plastic and an aluminum-magnesium alloy to strike a balance between strength and comfort. They don't feel fragile, but they also don't weigh you down. You can easily wear them for hours without that familiar pressure on your nose or ears that many heavier smart wearables cause. The frame design is minimalist and modern, with clean lines that look more like contemporary prescription glasses than a futuristic gadget. The arms are slightly thicker than normal, but not enough to draw attention, and that's exactly where Xiaomi has cleverly hidden most of the internal components. Inside those arms live micro speakers, microphones, battery cells, sensors, and processing hardware, all neatly integrated. There's also a front-facing camera, and most impressively, a micro display embedded directly into the lens. This display is the real showstopper. Xiaomi uses an optical waveguide system paired with a tiny microLED display capable of reaching up to 2 million nits at the source. That number might sound excessive, but it's necessary to ensure visibility once the light is guided through the lens and projected into your eye. The result is a crisp, high-contrast monochrome overlay that remains clearly visible even in bright outdoor conditions. Whether you're walking under harsh sunlight or standing in a well-lit city street, the information stays legible without straining your eyes. The way the information appears is also thoughtfully designed. Instead of filling your entire field of view, the display floats naturally in your peripheral vision. It's there when you need it and easy to ignore when you don't. Navigation arrows, call notifications, translation text, and simple prompts appear in a way that feels intuitive rather than intrusive. You're not staring at a screen. You're simply glancing at useful information layered gently over the real world. It's a small distinction, but it makes a massive difference in how wearable this technology feels on a day-to-day basis. Under the hood, these glasses are far from a concept or prototype. They run on a quad-core ARM processor paired with Xiaomi's own wearable-optimized operating system. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing the glasses to function both independently for certain tasks and in tandem with your smartphone for others. There's a 5-megapixel camera built in, useful for quick captures and visual memory rather than high-quality photography. Battery life lands between 5 to 7 hours of mixed use, depending on how heavily you rely on the display and camera. While that might not sound huge, it's actually quite respectable for a device this small and lightweight. Plus, the magnetic charging dock brings the battery back to full in just over an hour, making top-ups quick and painless. One of the most impressive features is real-time translation. This is where the Xiaomi Smart Glasses truly start to feel like something out of the future. Simply look at foreign text, whether it's a street sign, restaurant menu, or printed instructions, and the glasses overlay a live translation directly onto your lens. The experience feels natural and surprisingly accurate, especially in good lighting conditions. While it does require steady positioning and clear text, the potential here is huge. For travelers, language learners, or professionals working in international environments, this feature alone could justify the entire device. It removes friction from everyday interactions and makes unfamiliar places feel instantly more accessible. Navigation is another area where these glasses shine. When paired with your phone, turn-by-turn directions appear as subtle prompts in your vision. Instead of constantly checking your phone while walking or cycling, you can keep your head up and your attention on your surroundings. Arrows, distance indicators, and simple cues float effortlessly in view, guiding you without distraction. It's especially useful in busy urban environments, unfamiliar cities, or even large indoor spaces where pulling out a phone repeatedly becomes annoying. Over time, it starts to feel less like using a navigation app and more like having a quiet guide alongside you. Call handling is smoothly integrated as well. A simple swipe on the touch-sensitive arm lets you answer or reject incoming calls. The open-ear speaker design ensures that you can hear the caller clearly without blocking out ambient sound. You remain aware of what's happening around you, whether you're walking down a street or sitting in a cafe. The directional microphones handle voice pickup well, making calls sound clear on both ends. It's not meant to replace high-end headphones, but for quick conversations and hands-free communication, it works remarkably well. Voice commands are powered by Xiao AI, Xiaomi's intelligent assistant. It's responsive and genuinely useful for everyday tasks. You can ask for the time, check the weather, trigger translations, take a photo, or manage basic settings, all without touching your phone. The hands-free nature of these interactions reinforces the idea that these glasses are meant to reduce friction, not add more steps to your routine. Notifications are handled with similar care. Instead of bombarding you with every alert from your phone, the system prioritizes what matters most. Calls, important messages, and calendar reminders appear discreetly, allowing you to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. It's technology that respects your attention rather than constantly competing for it. Battery life does require some awareness, especially if you're using display-heavy features like translation or navigation for extended periods. In real-world use, around 5 hours is a realistic expectation. To help manage power consumption, the glasses support an ambient mode that keeps the display off until it's needed. This smart power management makes the experience feel more refined and less stressful, as you're not constantly worrying about draining the battery unexpectedly. In everyday scenarios, the Xiaomi Smart Glasses fit in effortlessly. On your daily commute, navigation prompts guide you without pulling your focus away from traffic or pedestrians. On vacation, instant translation turns unfamiliar environments into navigable spaces. In professional settings, discreet notifications keep you informed without the social awkwardness of checking your phone mid-conversation. Over time, you genuinely forget that you're wearing something so advanced, which is perhaps the highest compliment a wearable device can receive. Social awareness and privacy are areas Xiaomi has handled thoughtfully. The built-in camera activates an indicator light whenever it's recording, making it obvious to people around you. This simple detail goes a long way in addressing privacy concerns. The overall design also helps. Because the glasses don't scream tech gadget, they blend naturally into environments like cafes, offices, co-working spaces, and public transport. People see glasses first, not hardware. Audio quality from the directional speakers is clear and focused. While they're not designed for immersive music listening, they work perfectly for notifications, short voice messages, and calls. Sound leakage is minimal, meaning people nearby won't hear your alerts unless the environment is extremely quiet. It's another example of Xiaomi prioritizing subtlety over spectacle. The companion app acts as the control center for the entire experience. Through it, you can manage connected apps, fine-tune notification preferences, calibrate the display, and review photos captured with the glasses. The app feels polished and intuitive, with regular updates that continue to improve functionality and add integrations. One standout feature is what Xiaomi calls AI-powered photo recall. You can snap a photo of something you want to remember, like a document, a sign, or a recipe, and later ask the app to retrieve it. It functions like a visual memory bank, turning quick glances into stored context you can access later. Gestures are simple and quickly become second nature. Swipe forward or backward to browse alerts, double tap to answer a call or activate translation, and long press to trigger voice commands. The learning curve is minimal, and within a day or two, interactions feel fluid and effortless. That ease of use is crucial, because wearable tech only succeeds when it disappears into your routine instead of demanding constant attention. There are some limitations worth acknowledging. There's currently no official IP rating, so water resistance isn't guaranteed. Wearing these in the rain or during intense workouts isn't recommended. iPhone compatibility is also more limited compared to Android, with the best experience reserved for users within Xiaomi's own ecosystem. The camera, while useful, isn't intended for creative photography or high-resolution video. It's functional, not artistic, and that's an important distinction. From a style perspective, Xiaomi has absolutely nailed the balance. These glasses look good enough for everyday wear without appearing flashy or geeky. Whether you're heading into a meeting, hopping on public transport, or grabbing coffee with friends, they blend in seamlessly. Underneath that understated exterior, though, is serious technology designed to enhance daily life in quiet but meaningful ways. Compared to other players in the smart eyewear space, like Ray-Ban Meta, Snap Spectacles, or even the legacy of Google Glass, Xiaomi strikes an impressive balance. There's no heavy focus on social media gimmicks or enterprise-only use cases. Instead, you get a genuinely helpful tool that prioritizes comfort, usability, and real-world value. It doesn't try to replace your phone or dominate your attention. It simply supports you when you need it. Looking ahead, the potential for growth is massive. Software updates could unlock features like context-aware reminders, live sports updates, smarter AI overlays, or even lightweight augmented reality navigation in large indoor spaces like malls or airports. The hardware already feels future-ready, and Xiaomi's track record with long-term software support suggests there's a lot more to come. So who are these smart glasses really for? Frequent travelers, tech-forward professionals, students navigating busy campuses, urban explorers, language learners, commuters, and anyone who wants helpful information without breaking their stride. If you're tired of your phone constantly pulling your focus away from the world around you, these glasses offer a refreshing alternative. They're not perfect, but they're undeniably exciting. Xiaomi has laid a strong foundation for smart eyewear that feels less like an experimental gadget and more like a genuine lifestyle device. With continued development and thoughtful updates, these smart glasses could become as common and essential as smartwatches are today. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Vibe. If this deep dive into the Xiaomi smart glasses gave you a glimpse into what's next, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our future explorations. Whether it's smart glasses, AI-powered PCs, drones, or the latest gaming beasts, we cover it all right here, where tech meets lifestyle.